Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we analyze the stock market with both news and chart data. Today is October 9th, 2024, and we're looking at Tesla stock. Recent news headlines suggest a mixed outlook for Tesla. Some reports highlight Wall Street's preference for Microsoft over Tesla, while others predict Tesla stock will make investors rich in the coming years. Tesla's third-quarter deliveries showed growth compared to 2023 after a decline in the first half of the year. The company's commitment to robotics, particularly in the robotaxi service sector, is garnering investor interest. Despite this optimistic outlook, the electric vehicle sector faces economic headwinds and a potential sell the news event surrounding Tesla's robotaxi launch. Price cuts in Europe, while mitigating the slump in EV sales, could raise concerns about profit margins. With no new fiscal stimulus announcements, investors are watching for signs of a recovery in the Chinese market, which could impact Tesla stock. Let's turn to the charts and see what technical analysis reveals about TSLA's current situation. Taking a look at the daily Tesla chart, we can see a clear uptrend over the past few months. The price has been steadily climbing, breaking through several resistance levels. However, the recent price action shows signs of a potential pullback. The RSI indicator is currently in overbought territory, suggesting a possible correction. The 200-day moving average is providing strong support, but the price could test this level in the coming days or weeks. The news about Tesla's robotaxi launch and price cuts could trigger a short-term correction, but the long-term outlook remains positive. The bullish trend is strong, but investors should be prepared for some volatility in the near term. The price is approaching the crucial resistance level of $270, a key level to watch as it could either break through to new highs or trigger a pullback. Zooming in on the 1-hour chart, we can see that the price has been consolidating around the $260 level. The recent price action is characterized by a series of lower highs and higher lows, suggesting a sideways trend. However, the volume is still relatively high, indicating strong interest in the stock. The 50-hour moving average is providing some support, while the 100-hour moving average is acting as resistance. The news about Tesla's price cuts in Europe has triggered a sell-off in the last few hours, leading to a sharp decline in the price. This sell-off could continue in the short term, but it's too early to say whether it will break through the $260 support level. Let's look at the 15-minute chart to get a closer look at the recent price action. The price has been moving sideways for the past few hours, but the recent sell-off has pushed the price below the 50-period moving average. The 20-period moving average is acting as resistance, with the price bouncing off this level a few times. The volume has spiked during the recent sell-off, but it's still too early to say whether it will continue. The news about Tesla's robotaxi launch and the company's price cuts are likely contributing to this volatility. We can see a clear bearish trend forming on the 15-minute chart, but it's important to consider the broader context of the daily and hourly charts. To summarize, Tesla stock is currently at a crossroads. The long-term outlook remains positive, but the short-term trend is bearish. The price is approaching the crucial resistance level of $270 on the daily chart. A break through this level would signal a continuation of the uptrend. However, the recent sell-off on the 1-hour and 15-minute charts suggests a potential pullback. The price could test the $260 support level on the hourly chart. Key price levels to watch include $270 resistance, $260 support, and the 200-day moving average on the daily chart. The upcoming robotaxi launch and price cuts in Europe will be major catalysts for Tesla stock, so keep a close eye on the news for any developments. Be cautious of volatility in the near term and be prepared to adjust your trading strategy based on the price action.